Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Yes, it has been a long time since I have made a video, but today I'm going to be unboxing a magnet for magnet fishing and some string, which is called Paracord, for the magnet. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the magnet and the Paracord. It's a 7-strand 550 Paracord. And this is the magnet. This maker is a DIY magnet, which stands for do-it-yourself. And the box has all this type of information on it. If you are interested in buying this type of magnet, I'll put it in the link below. Also, this is that paracord I was telling you about. I looked this up and it's actually parachute cord. And it looks like here it comes in over 300 colors. Mine came in orange because that's what, I ordered. So let's get started here and unbox this magnet. Now this is one type of magnet. They do come in other styles, and this is one I bought originally from a different company. And let's see what this looks like. Nice little styrofoam there. So yep, this is the same one I have, but from a different company. It's a little dirty there, but it's nice and strong. Comes with an eyelet. I really don't understand why the eyelet is like movable, like it's threaded on there. My other one is also threaded on. So let's see how strong this magnet is. That's pretty strong. As you throw it in the water, you should grab something within reach of the magnet. See that? Now let me try pulling this apart. Oh yeah, there's a lot of force there. Look at that. But it's a nice polished, I would say polished chrome. So now let's look at this this paracord. Now my original magnet and cord is actually red. The cord is actually red, and I'll show you my magnet in a little while. So this can hold, I think it was 500 pounds or 550, the weight of it, and the magnet can hold up to, I think it was somewhere close to 250, 255 pounds. So on my original magnet, I tied it like this, and I made a few knots. This one I only put 3 just to show you, but I think I put about 6 or 7 on my original. So it's pretty much ready to go. Just throw it in the water and hopefully you'll catch something. And this is my original magnet. I've had this maybe 6 months and I use it like almost every day. As you can see, the polish is coming off there. I guess that's some sort of paint or something, and it is really strong. I've picked up a few things with this. Look at that. And it is strong as the first day I bought it. I actually attached this to a beam and I could barely get it off when I first bought it. See that? I'll put both magnets in the link below so you can see which one you want to purchase. And I'll also put the paracord link below. And this here is something I found when I was magnet fishing. Now, looking at it, it looks like a rock. But if you take a magnet, it actually sticks. See that? It sticks to the magnet. And I looked this up, and this is called iron ore. This is how it all gets started. I don't know the actual process. I presume, or I assume that they crumble this up, and whatever iron is inside the rock, it's taken out or extracted from there. And I looked this up, and iron ore runs about $60 a ton. But there's no way I'm going into the river and getting 2,000 pounds of this out of there. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Hopefully next week I should have another video up where I'm actually using the magnet, and we'll be going to some rivers and streams and seeing what we can find. If you do see the video, that means the computer is working. The computer has been giving me some problems. I am in the middle of building a new one, so I'm actually buying bits and pieces of the computer. As you guys know, computers are very expensive, especially the parts. When you want really good quality parts, they cost a lot of money. So I'll put a link in the description for the string, the magnets. If you're interested, if you buy the string and magnets from the link that I send you, it actually ends up supporting the channel. So please do so. Till then, this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Peace!